Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Reddit Shadowban. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is open up your Reddit app, and then from over here you're gonna tap on the profile icon on top right corner and tap on this option of settings. And now from over here you're gonna be simply scrolling down and tapping on this option of help center. And then from over here you're gonna scroll down, you're gonna go to the search bar and type in Shadowban. Search it up. Right, simply tap on this account and community restriction, tap on it, and content, see all 25 articles, tap on that. You can see what are Reddit's rules and what is ban invasion or why the ban happens. It's gonna simply pop up with all kinds of options, so you can see what it's the reason why your shadow ban is cause of this kind of things. Reddit's rule you must have violated, or content moderation enforcements has been happened, spammers, etc could be the reason why your account has been banned, right? And then once you have gone over there, you're gonna simply go ahead, tap on this little it didn't help me, it is not information that I would want. Tap on inaccurate information, choose that, and simply go ahead, write down a message for them stating that, hey, I would want it to fix my shadow ban, what I can do to fix it, let me know what the details, and tap on send, so you can send them a report so they can let you know what they can do to help you. So this is how you can do it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.